NHRA officials have called the event for the day. The rain is to be unrelenting into the evening, so they feel that they will not be able to finish today, or they will not be able to finish during our air window, certainly.
Okay, now go. .383 TJ Zizzo is going to the final round.
Oh, man, it's tough to wait that time out, isn't it? I've been dreaming about Justin Ashley for 50 days now. I can't wait to put him out of my sight.
Yeah, it's definitely some of the most unique circumstances I've ever come across in my life. I mean, the truth of the matter is there's a lot going on in 2020 around the world, so we really have to take a minute and put things in perspective. So to be racing in this final round, even having to wait, is all right with me. It's exciting. It's added a little more drama for me and TJ. It's added a little more drama for our marketing partners. But we're up for the challenge. I know that TJ is going to go out there and put his best foot forward and lay it all out on the line, and make no mistake about it, we're going to do the same exact thing.
Mike Ashley has taken the funny car win. Mike Ashley has begun his celebration. Son Justin there.
To win this race, to me, would mean everything. 13 years ago, my father was at the U.S. Nationals right here at this racetrack in Indianapolis and won the event. And I remember looking at my dad and thinking to myself, man, how amazing would that be if I was in that position one day? And sure enough, I'm fortunate to be here at the U.S. Nationals, racing in a delayed final round, but still at the same racetrack. It would just mean everything to me. It would mean everything to this Davis Motorsports team, who deserves it more so than anyone else, and all the people who have backed us, like Chip Lofton, who's been with us since day one from strutmasters.com and always been there to help us and support us. So it would really mean the world to me. I think TJ Zizzo is always hungry. Anytime he comes out to race, it's amazing. They're always extraordinarily successful. So he's a great person. They got a great team and a great race car. He's hungry. I know that. He's going to go out there and do everything he can to lay it to me and lay it to this team. But guess what? We're not going to shy away. We're not going to back down. We're going to go up there and swing for the fences, because that's what we do.
Oh, look at this. How about a coasting race? 436 to a 443, and Justin Ashley wins it.
Justin is hungry. He's one of the best drivers out here leaving that starting line. And I know that. So if I could leave with him, I'll be a happy guy. But I can't put that pressure on me. I'm going to go up there and do what it takes to get a win light. He's a good young guy. He's hungry. I'm hungry. He's a young lion. I'm an old man that doesn't need as much food.
They're very meticulous, great presentation, and when you look at their operation, you wouldn't realize that they only hit a few races a year, but the ones that they go to, they make sure that everything is built right. They pay close attention to all the detail, the preparation, building the superchargers, the fuel pumps, everything that matters most on these top fuel machines. Tomorrow night, we're going to cover this final round, the road to the final for TJ Zizzo at that race. Terry Totten, Todd Payton, and Terry McMillan in the semis. Justin Ashley, he had to beat Sean Langdon in the first round, then Coletta, then Pruitt.
To win this race, it would mean the world to our entire team, due to the fact that my dad's been doing this 40 years and has never won an NHRA event in his entire lifetime. 40 years of that. And our guys behind me have been with me for, some of them, 27 years. We've been doing this a long time together as one unit. It would mean the world to be able to win this one.
Yeah, fire your best shot. Let's keep going. Sean Langdon takes DHL to the top. 3.728. 313 miles an hour. TJ goes 376 at 327. Big old top speed at the meet mile an hour.
Actually has problems early. Terry McMillan 379.9 at 323.27 miles an hour. A solid run. The car got moving early pretty well. The speed at 323. One of the few cars that's actually made it to the finish line with the pedal down.
It's not every day that a racer wakes up and knows automatically he's in the final round?
These are definitely unique circumstances. Being able to wake up and know that today is going to be your first final round of your career without even making a pass for the day yet is definitely something special. It's something I'm excited for. It's something that I've been looking forward to for more than a few weeks now, and the day's finally here. And just excited for our guys, excited for this team, and feel like we really deserve to be here and deserve to have this opportunity in front of us.
But yeah, it's interesting to come to a racetrack on Saturday and know that you're going to the final round during qualifying. We have a team meeting every single morning. When that car goes up in the air, we have a team meeting, right? First thing, just to discuss the day's events, what's happening, and we had to discuss what we're going to do after E4 Q3. Will it be business as usual? Will it be beers for all? What will it be? So we had to discuss that to get through it, because you're right. This is a whole different circumstance for us.
TJ and I do have a side bet involving food, of course, because why not? So TJ's from Chicago, I'm from New York. So the loser's going to have to eat the other person's pizza. So I'm going to have some Chicago-style pizza for my team if we don't come out with a win. And otherwise, we're going to have to bring some New York pizza over to them if we come out with the win. So we'll have to wait and see what happens.
Boy, the side bet. That's been an exciting proposition. I like that. I think it's neat. Justin and his crew, Dustin Davis, all those guys are good people, right? I like side bets. I think it's cool. I think it gives everyone a little incentive. If it's shaving your beard, me being manscaped, or buying pizzas,
Next run
it's all
the
good.
Strutmasters car makes after this will be for the final of the Lucas Oil Summernationals. Justin Ashley and the Strutmasters group down there, they need a baseline going into tonight. 3.805, 318 miles an hour, Justin Ashley. That'll put him 12th. .377, Billy Torrance, 323 miles an hour, and TJ Zizzo went nowhere.
In the immediate past, Tony Zizzo double-stepped his car. You heard Bruno talk about it. His dad talked to him, talked him off the ledge, calmed him down. Will he be able to put the pressure out? The final round from a delayed race. Here we go. Ashley zone 36. Zizzo's car has problems in it. Justin Ashley, 395.8 at 267. A crazy final round. TJ Zizzo, 405.6, 276. His car faltered, as did Ashley's, but it's Justin Ashley with the win line.
Well, Justin, we know that this has been on your mind for a little over 6 weeks now. A chance to pick up your first Wally in your rookie season right here at the U.S. Nationals. We just spoke to your dad at the starting line, who was crying in excitement for you. What does this sense of accomplishment mean?
I'm going to have to hold back tears right now because this is a dream come true for me for a very long time. Since I'm a young kid, but the truth of the matter is this isn't even about me. This is about this team and all the people, all our awesome marketing partners that have supported us and allowed us to get to this point. There's no doubt about it. This trophy right here is for my father, make no mistake. But Chip Lofton and strutmasters.com, you guys backed us from the beginning. Thank you so much. Manscaped, Sanet USA, all our awesome sponsors. We're coming home with the win.
On a 36 light.
Tell me, Justin, what was going through your head when you rolled into those beams to stage?
Yeah, I mean, I was just trying to do everything I can to keep it like Q3. That's what was going on in my head, is I wanted to make it like every other run, but the circumstances were so big. There were so many people on the starting line, so it was up to me to kind of just zone in and do my job because we have an awesome team behind us that did their job. So it was up to me to take care of business, and fortunately we came out with a win. So I was just trying to focus on taking one thing at a time and doing the normal procedure and not making any changes.
You know, I got a lot of fans out there. It's great to have fans. Fans are what get you up at the toughest times. But all I want to do is freaking win. That's important to what I'm trying to do out here. For everybody, for our team, for our sponsors, for myself. Thank God for fans, else I would have quit a long time ago, man. A long time ago.
He also said you're a win waiting to happen.
Yeah, we both were, you know. Justin's a good young man, dude. I can't say that enough, but I look at someone like him and, you know, he's young, he's energetic. Dude, I'm bald and gray, man, you know. This is tough. This is a tough one. This is one of the toughest. You know, I've lost before, but this is tough.
Do you think it speaks well for NHRA that two teams who are clearly outspent by most of the teams out there reach the final round and give the fans one heck of a race?
Yeah. You know, 2 shots of qualifying make it interesting, right? There's a lot of neat matchups first round. NHRA, hey, we're out here, we're racing. Dude, could be a lot worse. Could be a lot worse. We'll keep it up.
I have so much respect for TJ Zizzo, man. I know that his first win is right around the corner. It's coming. They got an incredible group of guys. TJ is one of the best guys out here. I absolutely love him. I'm a fan of his from now on. And just a privilege to be able to line up against him. So let me take it off then, right? Test 1, 2. Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand. Sheena's going to kill me. All right, guys.